Hey YouTube, this is Hunter from airsoft, and today I have the review of the HFC M9 Special Forces gas blowback pistol. It's $70 on Airsoft GI, and I'll start from the front and go back. So on the front, you have an orange flash hider that is painted on the front of the metal barrel. Under that, you have a slide guide, and then the front of the slide. Also, this gun has some cool trades. It has a white P at the front of the gun above the bottom rail. It also has M19O Special Forces and then the caliber. It also has the Made in Taiwan HFC Special Forces trade on the pistol grip. And it has Air Model firearms, and it says read instruction manual before use. Next on the body, you have the slide release, the trigger guard and trigger, which is all metal. Also, you have the mag release and the disassembling pin. You also have a 3-position safety. Also, you can see the iron sights and the pistol grip. Also the mag, and the hammer is also 3-position.